Hey there! Today, let's explore the vivo X100 Pro together. It's more than just an upgrade from the X90. It's like a peek into the future of smartphones, especially its amazing camera. But hold on, we're not just skimming the surface. We're diving in to uncover every standout feature. Let's get started on this journey. Before we dive into today's content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't miss out on exciting tech reviews and discoveries. Alright, now let's get started. The vivo X100 Pro is a marvel in design, sporting a sleek and futuristic look that immediately catches the eye. With its slim profile and refined contours, it feels both premium and comfortable in hand. The choice of materials and attention to detail truly set it apart, making it a fashion statement in the realm of smartphones. The device boasts a stunning display that's nothing short of immersive. The edge-to-edge screen offers vibrant colors and sharp details, creating an unparalleled visual experience. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or simply scrolling through content, the X100 Pro's display doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, this smartphone is a powerhouse. Equipped with the latest processor and ample RAM, it handles multitasking and demanding apps with ease. From swift app launches to seamless transitions between tasks, the X100 Pro ensures a lag-free experience. The camera setup on the vivo X100 Pro is a photographer's delight. Its cutting-edge lenses and imaging technology capture moments with incredible clarity and detail. Whether it's low-light photography or capturing stunning landscapes, this phone delivers exceptional results. What sets the X100 Pro apart is its innovative features. From advanced security measures like facial recognition to AI-powered enhancements that optimize battery life and performance, Vivo has packed this phone with futuristic tech that simplifies your life. The battery life on the X100 Pro is impressive, easily lasting through a day of heavy usage. Additionally, it supports fast charging, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. Connectivity options are robust, providing stable and speedy connections. In essence, the vivo X100 Pro is a testament to innovation and style. It doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. With its stunning design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features, it sets a new benchmark for smartphones. If you're looking for a device that seamlessly blends technology with elegance, the X100 Pro is undoubtedly a top contender. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey of discovery. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.